Hello guys, our 10th standard. Welcome back. Today our topic is also some about the linear equations. To find the type of graphical lines. Actually you don't need to draw the lines, but you have to find the type of graphical lines. You have given two linear equations, 3x plus 2y equal 5, 6x plus 4y equal 7. You have to find coefficient of x a1 upon a2, that is 1 by 2, coefficient of y b1 b2, constant as represented c1 c2. By seeing these three values you get a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2, not equal c1 by c2. When these two conditions are equal according to the values, you can say parallel lines can be drawn. Actually you need not to draw the lines, just checking work what type of the condition stand for the graphical line of these pair of linear equations. In second one, 2x plus 5y equals 7, 3x plus 4y equals 5. Again the coefficient of x, take it as a1 upon a2, 2 by 3, coefficient of y b1 upon b2, 5 by 4, coefficient of constant read as c1 by c2. Clearly a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2. When first two values are not equal, then neither need to take comparison with the constant term. It's clear intersecting lines can be drawn. When you draw the lines of these two, you see they develop intersecting lines. In third condition, 3x plus 5y equal 4, 6x plus 10y equal 8. Coefficient of x, take it as a1 by a2, 1 by 2. Coefficient of y, 5 upon 10, 1 by 2. Constant 4 by 8. Clearly you see a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2 equal c1 by c2. All three values are equal due to 1 by 2. All three conditions are equal, which means line coincide each other. In other words, if you draw the line of this linear equation, you see one line develop on the another line. Now simple condition of these linear equations, you have to find the missing value of k in these two given linear equations. When condition is has no solution, you had already done no solution represented in this condition a1 on a2 equal b1 by b2. So a1 5 upon a2 7 equal b1 3 b2 k. So cross it, 5k 21 and k is 21 by 5. You can also find the value of k in the same condition when it is given as unique solution. Unique means you have to use this property a1 upon a2 not equal b1 by b2. That means 5 by 7 x1 a1 upon a2 equal b1 by b2 not equal 3 by k. Cross it and get the answer, that is also equal to 21 by 5. Only one single equation is changed in this condition. No solution means a1 by a2 equal b1 by b2, and in unique solution a1 by a2 not equal b1 by b2. Missing values you have to find. Exercise is represented here. Find the examples and some of the questions similar to that and solve it. Next, again you have to solve the linear equations by add and subtract method. You had already done elimination method, cross multiplication method, substitution method. Now one is the most important method to solve the linear equations, add and subtract. This is important one, as you see very carefully. You have to use this method only that kind of condition where the coefficients in form of alternate positions. If in first equation 7 is coefficient of x, in second 7 is the coefficient of y. In first coefficient of y is 8, in second coefficient of x is 8. Alternate digits are given in both linear equations, then you have to use this add and subtract method. Add means add these two. Add these two linear equations. 8 plus 15x, 15y is 45. Take 15 as common. It's x plus y divided by 15, 3. You get x plus y equal 3. Now subtract. To subtract these two linear equations, again take the similar to linear equation which are given. Subtract means change the sign of lower term. Here 8 of a negative greater, you get minus x plus y is equal to 5. This is your fourth condition. When you used this method, you see clearly after addition and subtraction these two linear equations, you get the two linear equations in that form. Always you get that form. X plus y equal 3 minus x plus y equal 5. Similarly at stuck up now, you get y as 4. Put this value of y in this third condition, get the value of x. So this is an important method to solve the linear equation, but you may in your mind where you have to use this method. In that kind of conditions where the alternate coefficients are given in both linear equations. Now some of the review points for you. You may have your mind. Smallest whole number 0, smallest natural number 1. Integers, counting numbers which is represented in negative form and positive form. Rational number in form of p by q, where p is numerator, q is denominator. 7 by 9, 7 by 9, 7 by 9 as 4 times in expanded form, but 7 by 9 raised to power 4 exponential form, where 7 upon 9 is base, 4 is exponent, degree, power and dice. Nickname of their exponent, power, degree and dice. So in exponential form 7 by 5 raised to power 1 by 8 to radical form. You have converted this 1 by 8 into the radical form 8th radical of 1 by 7 by 5. 8 upon 11 raised to power minus 3 upon 111. So base is 8 upon 11. Power is minus 3. Radical form converted 111. So radical form to shirts whose formation of irrational number. Clearly when root 8 is given, you get 2 square root 2, radical never be reduced. Root 5, radical never be reduced. Root cube root 45, radical 25, root never be reduced. That is form of irrational number. So guys, you have to revise third chapter 3.5 and this addition subtraction method from your miscellaneous exercise of your third chapter 3.7. One question or similar that question is given in your book and you have to revise more question on your extra book. Do it. Good luck.